Now this time I'm going to put some chickens, some chicklets, little baby chickens down at that end. And Declan, you're going to stay on this side of the cones, and you're going to go down and pick up one of the yellow ones and bring it back. Then go get another yellow one and bring it back, and then a number 3 yellow one and bring it back.
Hey everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with John Smith, and we're going to be looking at one of our awesome new products. This is the roller racer.
Kids love the roller racer. It's one of those things that they can get on and shake, rattle, and roll and fly across the gym.
So make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go on so you never miss a weekly episode of the FlagHouse Activity Channel. We've got roller racers coming up next.
Well, this morning we have some roller racers out here. Now these are sitting down, moving activities. So we're going to be sitting on the roller racer. We're going to be wiggling our hands back and forth to get started. And we're going to be cruising around the room. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to sit, put our feet up on top. So we're going to have a nice demonstration here. Going to sit down there. Perfect. Sitting, feet on. And then to get started, just wiggling your arms back and forth. And once you get going, the faster you go, the turns you can make. Can you follow each other? Play follow the leader. There it goes, Declan's in the lead. Look at, there they go. They're cruising. Oh man. All right. And pull up right here. Feet down for a stop. Perfect. Next 2 on. Who can make a circle? Oh yes. How about a figure 8? Circle one way, circle back the other way. That circle turn is cool. Okay, now I'm going to play a little follow the leader over here. I'll start by number 1. Come on down to number 1. Come on, Declan. And now we're going to go with a zigzag in and out between the cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you ready? Go. Look at that. And Declan come all the way back down this way in a straight line. Here he comes. He's fantastic. Unbelievable. Great ride. Okay, next 2 guys on. Let's see if he can make that first turn. That first turn's a tough one. He's got the first one. He's got the second one. Oh, nice. Ooh, that was close on the purple cone there. Now this time I'm going to put some chickens, some chicklets, little baby chickens down at that end. And Declan, you're going to stay on this side of the cones, and you're going to go down and pick up one of the yellow ones and bring it back. Then go get another yellow one and bring it back, and then a number 3 yellow one and bring it back. Okay, and you're going to go down and pick up the red ones. You're going to go down and get one red one and bring it back. Next red one, bring it back. Next red one back. Ready, set, go. There they go. They're going shopping. They're going to pick up some chickens to eat tonight. Yeah, look at that turn. Got 2. Going for number 3. Going for number 3. I think he's got it. I think he's got it. Oh, well, what's this throwing chickens around here? We got it. Oh, he made a right-hand turn that time, and a left-hand turn last time. Cruising. Well done. Give him a hand. Give him a hand. Well, that was our roller racers. What'd you think?
It was fun.
It was fun. What muscles did you use?
Arms.
Arms?
Or biceps.
Biceps. How about some of the twisting motions that you had to do? Abs. So a lot of, abs. We got a lot of activity in using our roller racers. Fun activities, and we added some chicklets in there too to add some more activity. Thank you very much, roller racers.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share, or comment to let us know how we're doing. Now go ahead and click over here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. We have a new video every Wednesday. Click over here to see more of our videos, or down here to get great downloadable activity guides. See you next time on the FlagHouse Activity Channel.